You've heard about artificial intelligence, AI, right? But here's the thing. AI has just gotten smarter than ever before. Imagine an AI that can understand logic, think critically, and actually prioritize facts over just sounding good. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not. It's real, and Google has just made a massive leap forward in AI with their new breakthrough, CROME AI. In a world where AI chatbots and virtual assistants seem like they're everywhere, one of the biggest challenges has been getting them to give answers that are both accurate and meaningful. Many AI systems were trained to simply repeat answers that sounded good, often ignoring whether the answers made sense or not. But Google DeepMind is changing all of that. DeepMind has teamed up with McGill University to create something that's going to change the game, a system called CROME, Causally Robust Reward Modeling. With this new system, AI can now learn to prioritize truth, logic, and substance over just the most fancy answers. So, what does this mean? Simply put, Google has just made AI smarter and more reliable than ever before. But how did they do this? And why is it such a big deal? Let's dive into it. The breakthrough, CROME AI and how it works. Up until now, AI models used something called reward models. These reward models train the AI to recognize what answers are good by evaluating things like length, style, and how fancy the answer sounds. But here's the problem. An AI could give you a long or complex answer that sounds impressive but isn't actually correct. It could sound convincing, but when you dig deeper, the answer might be wrong or misleading. This issue came to light when DeepMind noticed that AI systems were being rewarded for appealing answers instead of factual accuracy. That's where CROME AI comes in. What makes CROME different is its ability to evaluate answers based on real-world reasoning and logical consistency rather than just surface-level appeal. Instead of rewarding models for giving long-winded responses, CROME teaches them to focus on what truly matters: facts and logic. So how does it work? How CROME AI changes the game, the tests behind the breakthrough. To ensure that CROME AI wasn't just a fancy theory, DeepMind put it through some pretty intense tests to prove it worked. The results? Well, CROME outperformed older AI models on a bunch of key points, and it was a massive success. Let's take a look at some of the tests they used. Reward Bench Test. This test was designed to measure how well CROME AI could rank answers in terms of quality. In the past, AI systems might have ranked wrong answers as good simply because they sounded impressive. But CROME AI was trained to evaluate answers based on truth and logical consistency rather than how pretty the language was. The result? CROME AI was far better at giving the right answers, and it ranked them much more effectively. Reword Bench Test. Ever wondered how good AI is at staying focused? This test was designed to add distractions to see if CROME could still stay on track. Imagine if AI was answering a question, but someone started throwing in all sorts of random information to confuse it. Could the AI stay focused on the important parts? Well, CROME passed this test with flying colors, ignoring distractions, and still prioritizing facts over fluff. Wild Guard Test. In this test, researchers wanted to make sure CROME didn't get tricked into giving harmful answers. We've all seen how AI models sometimes give answers that are unsafe or harmful, even when they're not supposed to. This test made sure CROME could avoid giving dangerous or misleading responses. And guess what? CROME improved safety by about 13%, making sure AI stays reliable and safe to use. These tests show how CROME AI can outdo traditional reward models in accuracy, reasoning, and safety. It's a massive step forward in ensuring that AI is smarter, more trustworthy, and safer for real-world use. Why CROME matters for the future of AI. The big question here is, why does CROME matter for the future of AI? Well, when you use a chatbot or a virtual assistant, you're interacting with an AI model. Whether it's Siri, Google Assistant, or a customer service bot, you rely on these systems to give you answers. But if those systems aren't trained properly, you can end up with incorrect answers, misleading information, or worse, harmful advice. With CROME AI, Google is taking a giant step towards ensuring AI models don't just sound good, but that they actually give you the right information. And that's something we can all benefit from, whether it's for getting answers to medical questions, doing research, or simply chatting with your virtual assistant. Think about how much more useful AI could be if it didn't just give you pretty answers, but prioritized accuracy and logic. CROME AI is helping make that happen. And that's going to make chatbots, virtual assistants, and other AI models a lot more trustworthy and dependable in the future. AI's growing influence, from self-driving cars to medical advancements. But it's not just in the world of chatbots where AI is making waves. Remember back in 2019 when we thought self-driving cars were just something from a sci-fi movie? Well, fast forward to today, and over 400,000 Teslas are driving themselves every day. Self-driving cars are here, and they're actually working. The same goes for AI adoption. It's gone up by 270% in just the past few years. Companies that were once skeptical about using AI are now finding that it's helping them boost productivity by 15%. AI is everywhere, from finance to healthcare, business to entertainment. And according to a study by McKinsey, AI could add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. But AI is also changing jobs. While it creates new opportunities, it also means that 375 million people will need to learn new skills. The world of work is shifting, and AI skills are going to be in demand more than ever. In fact, some companies are already outperforming their competition by adopting AI at faster rates. If you're looking to get ahead in this new world, learning about AI could be your ticket. Other AI breakthroughs: China, Meta, and Microsoft. While Google is improving chatbots, other companies are making huge strides in AI too. In China, researchers have created an AI model capable of reasoning through complex math problems. It can even match the best human minds in solving tricky problems. And instead of just giving long, unnecessary answers, this AI knows how to think critically, something older models failed at. This development is a huge deal because it shows that AI can not only learn facts, but also reason through problems step by step. This is a big leap in making AI more useful and intelligent. Plus, it's not just about math. This ability could be used in real-world applications, from solving complex logistics problems to enhancing medical diagnoses. Meanwhile, Meta is going full throttle in the AI space. Mark Zuckerberg announced Meta Superintelligence Labs, where they're bringing together top AI talent to develop the next generation of AI. Meta is investing billions in this, and they're hiring from Google, DeepMind, OpenAI, and Anthropic. This is Meta's play to not only catch up, but also lead the AI race. AI in healthcare, Microsoft's big move. And let's not forget Microsoft. They've made huge strides in healthcare AI. They've developed the MAI Diagnostic Orchestrator, MAI-DXO, an AI system that works like a debate panel, getting answers from multiple AI models and combining them into a single diagnosis. This AI has achieved 80% diagnostic accuracy, which is 4 times better than human doctors without external help. This has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, making it faster, more accurate, and more affordable. And even though Microsoft hasn't fully rolled this out yet, this could change the way we diagnose and treat diseases forever. AI is changing fast, and with breakthroughs like CROME AI, the world of artificial intelligence is set to become smarter, safer, and more reliable than ever before. Whether it's chatbots prioritizing facts over fancy language, AI models diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than doctors, or companies like Xiaomi creating smart glasses that can help with everything from shopping to real-time translation, the AI revolution is here. What do you think? Will AI continue to improve and help us in more ways than we can imagine? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all the exciting AI developments that are shaping our future.